Hello student, this is Pallab Darbari, your host, and you are watching Pallab Darbari classes. In this video, we will discuss the numerical from the chapter Budget. This is the volume 3 of the same chapter Budget. In this video, we will discuss numerical. From this chapter, numerical can be framed from three topics. One is revenue deficit can be asked, fiscal deficit we have to calculate, and the primary deficit we have to calculate. So numerical will come from the revenue deficit, fiscal deficit and primary deficit topic. Let us see the formula to calculate revenue, fiscal and the primary deficit. The formula to calculate revenue deficit is revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt. The revenue deficit is excess of revenue expenditure over revenue receipt. It means revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt. The formula to calculate the fiscal deficit is borrowing or total expenditure minus total receipt excluding borrowing. Fiscal deficit is always equal to borrowing because fiscal deficit shows the borrowing capacity of the government. The formula is total expenditure minus total receipt excluding borrowing. Next is primary deficit. The formula is fiscal deficit minus interest. It means the money which the government borrow to meet out the expenditure excluding interest payment. So the primary deficit is fiscal deficit minus interest. I hope all the formula is clear to you. Now we will learn how to apply the formula in the question. Let us see the question. In the question we have to calculate revenue deficit, fiscal deficit and primary deficit. Here is the question. In the question, the capital receipt net of borrowing is 95. Capital receipt net of borrowing means capital receipt excluding borrowing. Revenue expenditure is given 100 crore. Interest payment is 10 crore. Revenue receipt is 80 crore. And the capital expenditure is 110 crore. And we have to calculate revenue, fiscal and the primary deficit. I copy the question over here. Now let us see how to calculate revenue deficit. The formula to calculate the revenue deficit is revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt. Here the revenue expenditure is 100 crore. Revenue receipt is 80 crore. 100 minus 80, that is 20 crore. So the answer is 20 crore. So here we have seen how to calculate the revenue deficit. Now let us see how to calculate the fiscal deficit. Here the borrowing is not given to us, so we have to apply the formula total expenditure minus total receipt. Total expenditure means revenue expenditure plus capital expenditure. Revenue expenditure is 100, capital expenditure is 110 minus total receipt. Total receipt means revenue receipt, that is 80. Capital receipt, that is this one excluding borrowing, that is 95. Put the value. Total expenditure means 100 plus 110. Total receipt is 80 and 95. Answer is 35 crore. I hope the point is clear. Now let us see how to calculate primary deficit. The formula to calculate the primary deficit is fiscal deficit minus interest. We have already calculated fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit we have calculated, that is 35 crore. Let us see the interest. Interest over here is 10. So the answer is 25 crore. I hope the point is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next question so that the things become much more clear. The same thing we have to calculate. We have to calculate the revenue deficit, fiscal deficit and primary deficit. Question is given to us. Revenue, total tax revenue is given to us. Capital receipt is given to us. Non-tax receipt is given to us. Borrowing is given to us. Revenue expenditure is given to us, and the interest payment is given to us. In the question we can see that the total revenue is not directly given, but the components of the total revenue is given to us. In the video 1 we have seen the total revenue means what? It means tax revenue and non-tax revenue, because we know that the components of the revenue receipt is tax and non-tax. So here firstly we have to calculate the total revenue, and then we have to proceed to find out the revenue deficit, fiscal and the primary deficit. I copy the question over here. I think the question is visible to everyone. Try to calculate revenue deficit. To calculate the revenue deficit, firstly we have to calculate the revenue receipt. Revenue receipt means tax receipt plus non-tax receipt. Tax receipt is 47, non-tax receipt is 10. We can see over here, tax receipt is 47, non-tax receipt is 10. So the total revenue receipt is 57 crore. Now let us see what is the revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure is directly given to us. It is being given over here. Revenue expenditure, that is 80. Now put the formula. What is the formula to calculate revenue deficit? Excess of expenditure over receipt. Revenue expenditure is given, that is 80. Revenue receipt we have calculated 57. So the answer is 23 crore. Now let us calculate the fiscal deficit. Here the borrowing is given to us. It means directly the fiscal deficit is given to us. That is 32 crore. Now calculate the primary deficit. The formula to calculate the primary deficit is fiscal deficit minus interest. Fiscal deficit is 32. Let us see what is the interest. Interest is 20. So the answer is 12. Now let us see the next question. Find out the fiscal deficit and the primary deficit. Only these two things we have to calculate. Fiscal deficit and the primary deficit. Question is revenue expenditure 70,000 crore. Borrowing is 15,000 crore. Revenue receipt is 50,000 crore. Interest payment is 25% of revenue deficit. So there is a twist over here. Interest payment is not directly given to us. To find out the interest, what we have to do? We have to firstly calculate revenue deficit, and from the revenue deficit we can only calculate interest payment. I paste the question over here. I think the question is visible to everyone. Firstly we find out the fiscal deficit. We know the formula to calculate the fiscal deficit is borrowing. Borrowing is 15, so the fiscal deficit is given to us, that is 15,000. Primary deficit, the formula to calculate primary deficit is fiscal deficit minus interest payment. To calculate the interest, firstly we have to find out the revenue deficit. Revenue deficit is revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt. Let us see the revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure is 70,000. Revenue receipt is 50. Answer is 20,000 crore. Now interest payment is 25% of the revenue deficit. So calculate the interest payment. 25%. That is 25 multiplied by 20,000 divided by 100. The interest payment is 5,000 crore. Let us calculate the primary deficit. The formula we know, fiscal minus interest. Fiscal deficit is given, that is 15,000. Borrowing or fiscal both are the same thing. Interest payment we have calculated right now, that is 5,000. So the primary deficit is 10,000 crore. Self test. In the MCQ the question can be asked in such a way. Let us see. If the total receipts are 3,000 crore, Total receipts are 3000 crore. Total expenditure is 4200 crore. How much will be the budgetary deficit? Listen, if the total receipt and the total expenditure is given to us, it means that we have to calculate the fiscal deficit. Budgetary deficit it is implied that we have to calculate the fiscal deficit. Because to find out the budgetary deficit, two methods are there: revenue, fiscal, and the primary. So when the budgetary deficit is being asked, we means it almost a hinge that the examiner is asking you to calculate the fiscal deficit. What is the formula to calculate fiscal deficit? Total expenditure minus total receipt, excluding borrowing. Here the borrowing is not given to us. It means we presume that the borrowing over here is 0. So total expenditure is 4200. 4200 minus 3000. So what is the answer? 1200 crore. Let us see the next question. It's a request. Everybody will sit with a pen, pencil, paper and try to calculate quickly. Here the revenue receipt is given to us 1000 crore. Revenue expenditure is 1200. We have to calculate the revenue deficit. What is the formula to calculate revenue deficit? Revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt. Expenditure 1200, receipt 1000. So 1000 minus 1200 minus 1000 crore. Answer is right, 200 crore. One more question we just try. A government budget shows the primary deficit 4400. Here the primary deficit is given to us. What is the formula to calculate primary deficit? Fiscal minus interest. Fiscal minus interest. Revenue expenditure on interest. It means interest payment is given to us, that is 400 crore. What we have to do? We have to calculate fiscal deficit. Remember one thing. Use the primary deficit formula to calculate the fiscal deficit. Why? Because to calculate the fiscal deficit, borrowing is not given to us. Total expenditure and the total receipt is also not given to us. So what we have, what information we have? We have the primary deficit. Apply the primary deficit formula. What is the formula? Fiscal minus interest. So to calculate the fiscal deficit, what we will do? We will add interest in the primary deficit. When we add interest in the primary deficit, it will become 4400 plus 400, it will be 4800 crore. I hope the question is clear to everyone. In this way, the examiner may ask the question. These questions can be asked in MCQ. In MCQ, these questions can be plotted. I hope the topic is clear. That's all I have in this video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.